Welcome to Recreation USA. Let's take a quick look at the brand new 2027 Forest River RV Flagstaff Classic 839 IKRL. Wide body, rear living, campfire comfort package, 4-point leveling, king bed. The ultimate residential style layout. Only at the East Coast #1 dealer searching for a 2027 Forest River Flagstaff Classic 839 KRL in South Carolina or anywhere across the Southeast. This is the high-end luxury wide-body travel trailer setup you have been waiting for. Featuring a spacious rear living floor plan with opposing slides, a sliding table and chairs, 67-inch theater seating, and a 78-inch hide-a-bed, this unit offers unmatched comfort. Because we order custom, elite spec inventory, this unit comes fully upgraded with the Campfire Comfort Package, 4-point leveling system, slide toppers, and premium climate controls to ensure total luxury at any destination. Make this luxurious camper yours today and give us a call at 843-756-1072.